What's up, YouTube? This is Dante's Card Dungeon here today to talk about some more Magic cards. I know we talked last time about a few, and today we're going to talk about a few more. So we're going to talk about quick play spells, field spells, and ritual spells. Quick play spells. They have a lightning bolt symbol. A person can activate a quick play spell from their hand at any time during their own turn, except during the damage step, unless it's mentioned on the card. But you cannot activate it from your hand during your opponent's turn. Face down quick play spells could be activated during either player's turn, but they cannot be activated the turn they are set. So that's similar to a trap card. If a player sets a quick play spell during their own turn, they cannot activate it until the beginning of the opponent's next turn. Quick play spell cards are spell speed 2 and can be chained to other cards. Now this is Graceful Dice. And its effect is, you roll a 6-sided die. All monsters you currently control gain attack and defense equal to the result times 100 until the end of your turn. So that can give you a good advantage. Help you out in a pinch when you need it. Now, field spells. Field spells which have a compass rose symbol on it are able to change the entire state of a play for its controllers or for both players' side of the field. They are spell speed 1 and are placed in the field zone apart from the spell and trap card zones. Both players are able to control a single field spell. You can activate or set a field spell at any time during your main phase. If you already have a card in your field zone, the existing card is sent to the graveyard first. Now this card is Clock Tower Prison. Once per turn, during your opponent's standby phase, place 1 clock counter in this card. When there are 4 or more clock counters on this card, you do not take any battle damage. If this card with 4 or more clock counters is destroyed and sent to the graveyard, special summon 1 Destiny Hero Dreadmaster from your hand or deck. Now, ritual spells. Ritual spells have a flaming chalice symbol. Ritual magic cards are needed to special summon ritual monsters. You have to have all the materials needed in the ritual card / monster card. And once you do, you can activate the magic card. For every ritual summon, you have to tribute monsters from your field or hand whose combined level equals the level of the ritual monster you're trying to summon when the ritual spell resolves. Some ritual spells let you go over that number, others require the levels of the tributes to exactly match the level of the ritual monster. Now this card is Eyes Transmigration. This card is used to ritual summon Lord of the Red. You must also tribute monsters from your hand or field and or banish Red Eyes monsters from your graveyard except Red Eyes Black Chick, whose levels equal 8 or more. Well, that's all the time we have today. Have a great day.